Hi guys, welcome back to our channel for another video. So today we are exploring Mohammed bin Zayed Nature Reserve. So guys, we are at the entrance. I'll show you. So pretty. So the ticket price per person is 2 BD. So here we can see many flamingos. Is that a heart shape? So pretty. Now we have arrived at the Nas Birds Walkthrough Aviary, where we could see a vast number of exotic birds. We got the chance to see a dancing peacock. Near to the aviary, there's a pond where we can see ducks, tortoises. So guys, this is the Egyptian vulture, and also there are not neighborhoods on all the animals, so we don't really know what all are the animals. So this is the barn owl. You can't really see it clearly because it's sitting at the very far, and also the camera is taking a little bit time to zoom in. I was very happy to see the peacock spreading its feathers. It was very beautiful to watch. Guys, these are birds called macaws which live in the Amazon rainforest. got the chance to hold these beautiful lovebirds, parrots, and even the macaws. A lovebird was even placed on my head. Such a lovely experience. I am not kidding, but this macaw was really heavy to handle, so I was just shaking. Now I'm feeding this camel some lettuce. There's a small shop in the park where you can buy a cup of lettuce for 500 pills, or you can buy some weeds as well for the same price, and you can feed it to certain animals. You can feed these to animals like ponies, camels, goats, etc. These are ostriches, the largest birds in the world.
So as you can see, these are African spot tortoises. These are so big. Like, what do you mean?
This is the Arabian oryx, which is the national animal of Bahrain. There was no name board on this animal, but I think it is a gazelle, which is pretty similar to a deer. Now we are going to enter the Bahrain-Japan Friendship Garden. This design describes a large Japanese garden. This beautiful garden consists of ponds, small bridges, and even a small waterfall. It's very beautiful to explore here. There is also a kids play area. This large tree contains nests of many birds. This was a lovely experience and you guys should visit this natural reserve as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.